सही और गलत को परख कर एक सेकंड में एक्यूरेट निर्णय लेने वाली बुद्धि और श्रेष्ठ संस्कार जो औरों के संस्कारों को भी परिवर्तन कर दें। इस इच्छा को वास्तविकता बनाया उस महान आत्मा ने जिनके जीवन का आधार थे दो शब्द, साथी और साक्षी। चाहे विघन आए, संस्कार, स्वभाव या शरीर की बीमारी, हर सीन में सदा साक्षी रही। और इसीलिए तो भगवान ने उन्हें नाम दिया मनमोहिनी। मन ऐसा जो दूसरों के मन को परमात्मा से जोड़ दे। शिव बाबा को उनकी बुद्धि पर इतना विश्वास था कि यज्ञ के महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय की जिम्मेवारी उन्हें।
सुबह सुबह किसका चेहरा देखा? आज दिन अच्छा नहीं बीता। चेहरा देखना मतलब सुबह मन ने सबसे पहले किसको याद किया? सोशल मीडिया पर गुड मॉर्निंग लिखने से पहले, परिवार को गुड मॉर्निंग कहने से पहले, अपनी पहली सोच में परमात्मा को याद करें। सुबह का पहला संकल्प, गुड मॉर्निंग गॉड, थैंक यू गॉड। परमात्मा आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। सुबह के पहले संकल्प से ही परमात्मा को अपना साथी बना लें तो सारा दिन मेहनत नहीं, मौज में बीतेगा।
जैसे जैसे समय बीतता जा रहा है, नेगेटिविटी का माहौल बढ़ता जा रहा है। तो हम नेगेटिविटी को खत्म करने के लिए हम 21 बार यह संकल्प करेंगे कि मैं परम पवित्र आत्मा हूँ। परमात्म शक्तियाँ मेरे पास हैं। मेरे चारों ओर शक्तियों का ऑरा है। मैं पूर्णतः सुरक्षित हूँ और निर्भय हूँ। और जब भी आप पानी पीने के लिए बैठे तो 21 बार यही संकल्प करें कि मैं मास्टर सर्वशक्तिवान आत्मा हूँ। पानी को चार्ज कीजिए और इस पानी को पूरे घर में छिड़काव कीजिए। और अमृत वेला बाबा के कमरे में पानी की बोतल को रखकर चार्ज कीजिए और इस पानी से भोजन बनाइए। इससे पॉजिटिविटी पूरे घर में फैलेगी और नेगेटिविटी दूर हो जाएगी। अच्छा, ओम शांति। ओम शांति। जैसे जैसे समय बीतता जा रहा है, नेगेटिविटी
Shanti, everyone. You're all very. Are you comfortable with English? Because I'm not all that comfortable with Hindi.
Yes, you
Still,
can.
I can manage to speak a bit in Hindi also.
Yes, I am comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. So the other day when Didi asked me to speak, I was having viral fever and a cold, so I didn't want to come on video. So today I
Okay.
thought I'll take this chance to meet you all and then talk to you. So which
It's great.
videos you like the most in the one which we shared every day? Did you like the one which I shared you now? The one
Pardon?
which I shared you now, the animated video.
Yes, it was very nice.
Did you understand the meaning of that video actually? See how the bulb is coming out of the office. He's having a full day at work, and then he never had time for meditation or getting refreshed throughout the day. So we always say that we don't have time for meditation in our daily life. I'm so busy with my work at home, work at office. So I don't get time to do meditation at all. But see that simple ad, that simple animated movie gives us a very good message as to how we can, dedicate our time for meditation. He was just traveling after office. That bulb was traveling from office to his home. So while sitting in the train, you see everybody in the compartment are talking to each other, unwanted things and all. But this bulb alone, no, he thought of, okay, let's not waste the time. Let me connect to God. And then he started, just having the remembrance of God within that few minutes. Then you see himself, getting recharged fully, completely. The bulb is glowing so nicely. That
Yes.
is how we get recharged. Baba gives us so much of power when we remember him. I mean, God. We say Baba. God gives us so much of power when we remember him. Throughout the day at office, when we are tired, after doing so much of work, when our soul is fully depleted, when we take a chance to just remember him, he's a point of light and I am a point of light. Immediately the power that will be showered from him reaches us, and what happens, our soul gets filled with the full powers that Baba is giving us. This is how we have to do our meditation, not that we have to sit completely dedicated for meditation. Whenever we get time, just sit for a few minutes and then realize that I am a soul and I am the son of Supreme Soul, or I am the child of the Supreme Soul. This is how we will have to spend our time for meditation. And not only that, he got fully charged. You see, when he's coming out of the train and he's walking on the platform, so many people are seeing him, and also they are also getting recharged because his vibrations are reaching each and every person whom he is passing through. This is the actual real meaning of the meditation, and they have taken that as a small animated movie. This is really a beautiful animated movie which can give you the important message of this meditation, because instead of going through this, that and all, straight away you can understand that the soul gets recharged completely when the soul connects to Supreme Soul. This is the main thing. You don't have to chant so many things. You don't have to create too many thoughts. Just think that I am a point of light, I am the child of God, Supreme Soul. That's all. Immediately he realizes you and you realize him. First is you realize him, immediately he realizes you, and he keeps charging you. This is the basic thing of meditation. And to share my experience, actually, I've been in this meditation Raj Yoga thing for the past 9 years.
Okay.
And
Wow, great.
sorry, brother.
Actually, first time we are interacting with you. So I wanted to know about you. What is your name and where
I'm
do you
coming
live?
to
Yes,
that. No, I was
yes,
actually fully engrossed in that meditation
yes, sir.
animation video. So I was thinking that let me touch upon that first. My name is
Yes, sir.
Shalini, and I'm actually
Oh,
from Chennai. I'm based in Chennai.
Okay.
I worked in a bank for 20 years, and then due to health reasons, last year only I quit the bank, and I wanted to fully, serve for Baba. I want to do
Okay.
the complete, my dedication. I wanted to give for Baba's services. So I was giving in Chennai. We have a center here. I was giving here as well, as I used to do Murli hosting and all, and we used to do a lot of seva for children and all in our center. And this is how I got to, like, I know Hindi, because my second language is Hindi. I love Hindi so much, and because Hindi is Baba's language, I had a very keen interest in Hindi. So I used to listen to a lot of Hindi classes. I used to go through bhattis in Hindi, and that's how I got in connection with Ishu Didi. And I used to attend the Avyakta Murli sessions that happens every day, in Avyakta Murli, the other group, wherein we all attend the Avyakta Murli study group. So the Ishu Didi became, close to me, and she started giving me a lot of seva. And for me, my passion was to do a lot of seva. And wherever I get an opportunity, I grab it. I don't say no to anything. I immediately grab it, and I ensure that I'm very dedicated to it. Even if I don't have time in my daily life, I will allocate some or the other way my time. And then I see to that seva gets finished from me. I think you people don't have difficulty in listening to English. Just let me know in case you have any difficulty. I may also put in some Hindi in between. So this
Thank you,
is,
sister.
uh,
Thank you, sister.
yeah. So this is my experience, and now I'm coming to Delhi in November.
Okay.
The ORC I'm coming for 3 days. Actually, first I'm going to Madhuban for the Baba Milan in November, and from there I'm traveling to Delhi. Now Delhi people are very close to me now, and so I want to meet everyone there and get a chance to see the place as well, ORC. So this is all, and Baba, as you have all attended Raj Yoga meditation. Actually, this is a wonderful course. You all are really fortunate souls. Everyone cannot come into this Gyan. Gyan life is not all that easy. Even if you come, you should have that fortune, that bhagya, we'll say, that bhagya should be there. That line of bhagya, if you have only, you can come here. It's not all that, because we've been searching God in temples. If you ask me, I've been going to a lot of pilgrimage trips. Not even a single place I have left. I have gone to Dwarka, I've gone to Nepal, I've gone to everywhere, like Muktinath, everywhere, Badrinath, places, for search of God. But wherever I go, there was a satisfaction physically, but not that mentally. And after coming here only, I realized that the mental satisfaction or the soul satisfaction we get it here. So after that only I stopped all my pilgrimage, because see, the search stopped here. There was a lot of search in me. जहाँ भी जाऊं भगवान को ही ढूंढते रहूं. मैं यहाँ जा रही हूँ, वहां जा रही हूँ, यहाँ भी एक देवता बैठा हुआ है, वहां भी एक देवता बैठा हुआ है. तो कौन मुझे मुक्ति देगा? हर एक को मैं प्रार्थना कर रही हूँ कि ये मुझे मुक्ति देगा, ये मुझे मुक्ति देगा. तो कितनों को मुझे प्रेयर करना है, कितनों का भक्ति करना है. क्यूरियोसिटी बहुत हो रही थी मेरे मन में. Why am I going to this place? Why am I going to that place? There should be one person who should be giving me the mukti and Jivan Mukti. Why should I go everywhere, to get this? And in book, and I have read lot of bhakti books, lot of spiritual books I have read. So Bhagavatam, all these, and they have given that in each book you will come to my place. Like Lord Shiva will tell you come to Kailas, you will come to Kailasam after death. Then Lord Vishnu will say you will come to Vaikundam after death. So I was thinking, I'm praying everyone. So finally, which place will I go? Will I go to Vaikund? Will I go to Kailas? Or in some other book about Devi Mahatmyam and all, if you see there, they will be giving some other place. After death, you will come here. So even though I was living a life, my curiosity was more on after death. Like what will happen to me after death? Where will I go? And that is because, I am Baba's child. That is why this curiosity was there in this birth. Otherwise, I wouldn't have come here, That curiosity will be there in the soul in the last birth because you're Baba's child. So wherever you go physically in temples, you will not get that satisfaction. That satisfaction will be attained only when you come to God Himself. So when you come to God, you personally talk to Him. You personally become very close to Him. Then you feel, the whole world is searching for you. You have become close to me. Wonderful. This is what I wanted. So I am ready to sacrifice anything for you. Isn't actually
So now you don't visit temples and religious
we can
places?
see if my family wants, we can visit temples.
Hmm.
It's not a
So
thing.
now you don't you feel more connected when you visit temples? Because
Yeah,
when you have developed a connection with God
no,
directly, so
actually,
when we visit such a place, then we connect more.
that's what
Because
I'm saying.
after all, the place is very pious, the place is very positive and highly energized. So isn't it that after this connection, you must have felt more connected going when you go there?
See, that is what I'm saying. Initially, my visits to temples were more. So more in the sense where the search was there. You don't
Hmm.
understand who is God. Okay, everywhere you go,
But
you
now
find.
that you have understood, then it might be like this, that when you visit now, you feel
Yeah,
more,
when I
I mean,
visit now, when I see Shivalingam, I'll say, Baba, I'm your child. You are in the
yeah,
form of Shivaling, but I know
hmm,
your form. I know who you are.
yeah,
You are a
who
point of
you
light.
are.
But still, I
Hmm,
go and pray in the Shivaling also because my
Shivling.
family comes and we all go. There also, I see him as my father. Only thing is that the form is the idol. That's all.
It's
But
like
I
it's
know.
we can say it's like that. If we get to know a person more, then whenever we meet him, then we can connect more to him.
Yeah, we
It
sit in
can be like this.
temple. Yeah, we give vibrations. See, because we know him now, and what is my role now? I have to give vibrations to everyone. Of
Hmm,
what? Of love, purity, peace,
hmm,
power.
hmm,
So what do I do when I go to temple? I take from him and give to everyone. See, those who are sitting here, let them also understand the actual form as to who you are. You are our father. Let everyone understand that you have come to
hmm,
give all this to us, like Mukti,
hmm,
Jivan Mukti. Not only Mukti, Jivan Mukti, all the six virtues or seven virtues of a soul.
hmm.
He only enables the seven virtues. All are submerged. Only when you realize God, all gets emerged. All the
Yes.
the virtues get emerged. Love, peace, purity, happiness, everything gets emerged. Do you have any
Sister,
other question?
you live with family.
Yeah, yeah. I have a son who's in ninth standard now. I live with
Okay.
my family. My parents, everyone are there.
So what difference you feel after going through these years and before that?
Before that, no, there was no clarity in life. Like, there you used to work. I used to go to bank. Um,
No, I'm not asking individually yours, but in a family. What
in
other
family,
people?
my
Yeah.
son is also Baba's child. He also comes to the center. My husband is fully cooperative. Only thing is that he doesn't come with us, but still he's fully cooperative with us. My parents are very cooperative. Everyone have accepted God. They have
Mm,
see because the way we live, know that vibrations will reach each and every one in the family. So they will
mm,
come to know that there is a power where she's going. So they
mm,
accept the power. Yes, true. When sisters come to my house, my dad says, see everything he's only doing like that. Only my dad says, see everything is done by Shiv Baba. So that extent, if he's understood, I'm happy about it. See, they don't have to do complete meditation like how I'm doing and all. No, I'm fully
mm,
dedicated to Brahma Kumari services and Shiv Baba and all. But we don't expect everyone to be like how I am. But see, I have
mm,
understood. I have understood because I had a lot of search for God and I know that I'm his child and I've come to the right place. Like,
mm,
I cannot expect that everyone is like the same, like how I am. I accept
mm,
everyone as they are. And if they want, let them come. My son is a very dedicated,
mm.
child of God. He always takes help from God. He always is very, enthusiastic in coming to service and all. And we are very happy. Like everyone is happy with this, this camp.
And the whole house atmosphere that must have
Yeah.
changed, vibration must have changed.
Vibrations there because we all think of him and then we keep vibrating to the world. We send out to the world in the morning Amrita
Mm.
Vela time and that itself is giving the whole house the Vatavaran itself changes because of that
Mm.
vibrations. Everyone are happy. There's no confusion and no any test paper that comes in life. We all know that okay, this is part of the drama because God has told us all this. Initially, we don't know all this. See, why this is happening? Why that is happening? This is what we used to think. No, why is this happening in my life? Why am I getting this? These were the questions initially, but now we've got full gyan. God has given us full gyan, and that gyan when we apply in our life, we don't have these questions. Okay, like he has told us already, then what is the problem? And so this is how we have to live actually. That is why gyan is there. Baba has given gyan plus yoga. Why? Use the gyan in the daily life. Whenever you get a test paper, you have to use gyan in the daily life. And yoga is for what? Taking Shakti, love, everything from God. What he has come to, give us in this world, that we will take from him and giving it to others. This is basically applying Gyan and Yoga in our daily life. And when people are interested in doing services, they can come into, and Dharana will automatically happen in your life when you apply Yoga and Gyan in your life. Sister is joined already.
Om Shanti, sister.
Thank you, sister, for giving me an opportunity to share my experiences with this lovely Parivar.
Thank you so much. You shared a very good experience, which I not heard, but I know that you always had a very good insights to all of us. So thank you, Sister Shalini. And what about others? All good? If you have any कोई भी आप question है तो please बताएं.
सिस्टर शालिनी से तो क्वेश्चन कर लिए हैं सिस्टर.
कर लिए हैं? अरे वाह, गुड गुड, बहुत अच्छा. शालिनी बहन ने फिर आंसर्स दिए?
यस, ऑफ कोर्स.
बहुत अच्छा, गुड 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 गुड. तो मेरे से कोई क्वेश्चन, किसी को कोई और? बीनू बहन, इंदु बहन, राखी बहन, आदित्य भाई नहीं जुड़े आज? जुड़े हुए हैं, गुड. किरण बहन आज हमारी कहाँ गए?
हेलो.
या
हाँ दीदी, गुड इवनिंग. दीदी मेरा ना कल का सेशन छूट गया था, मैं कहीं बाहर थी, आते आते 8:45 बज गया, और मैंने आज रिकॉर्डिंग लेने की बहुत कोशिश करी, बट कल की वो मेरे को मिल नहीं पाई अभी तक.
रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं मिली शालिनी?
नहीं आई. मैंने
हाँ दीदी, आईडी में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. गीतिका बहन को पूछना है.
अच्छा, तो यू आर डूइंग दैट वन?
या आई एम डूइंग, आई विल डू इट.
यू आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ? ओके okay, fine. All well then? Okay, so what's the next plan for all of us? Yeah, Shikhaben,
Coming tomorrow, meeting you.
yeah. तो बलराम भाई हाँ, अपने अनुभव शेयर करें. अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करें.
एक्सपीरियंस सिस्टर, एक छोटा सा मुझ में जो चेंज आया है, बहुत बड़ा नहीं कहूंगी, कि सिचुएशन वो आती हैं सामने डे टू डे लाइफ में, बट उसमें रिएक्ट करते करते रुक जाती हूँ. मतलब ऐसा भी होता है कई बार, थोड़ा रिएक्ट कर लिया, नहीं फिर एकदम से पीछे से आवाज आई, नहीं रिएक्ट नहीं करना है, इसमें ऐसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है. तो ये एक थोड़ा चेंज मुझे दिखाई दिया है. बट एकदम रिएक्शन आता भी है, ऐसा नहीं कि कंप्लीटली अभी वो चेंज तो नहीं आया. रिएक्शन आता भी है, बिकॉज बाहरी दुनिया में सिचुएशंस तो वही आती रहती हैं.
सिचुएशन आए, हम घबराएं, या सिचुएशन आए ही नहीं,
ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता कि सिचुएशन ना आए.
तो अगर आए तो हम क्या करें?
आए तो हमें रिएक्ट नहीं करना, रिस्पॉन्ड करना है.
बेटर वे में रिस्पॉन्ड करना.
बेटर वे में
रिस्पॉन्ड करना.
ठीक है, होगा. शिखा में कोई चीज ना प्रोसेस में टाइम लेती है, कुछ प्रोसेस होता है. जैसे बच्चा भी एक जन्मता है, तब धीरे धीरे बड़ा होता है. बच्चा जन्मता है, उसका भी एक प्रोसेस होता है कि धीरे धीरे वो वॉर्म में पहले 3 मंथ्स, हर चीज देखो आप, अगर इंटरनल लेवल पे देखो तो भी ये बात है, अगर आप फिजिकल चीज में देखो तो भी एक चीज है, तो मतलब एक हर एक चीज का एक रात आने में भी धीरे धीरे ढलता है, एकदम से एकदम से दिन नहीं आता, धीरे 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 4 5 6 थोड़ा और थोड़ा और थोड़ा और ऐसे। तो व्हेन वी अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोसेस, मेरे मन के कार्मिक अकाउंट्स बहुत है, कोई हमें देख के शशिबेन हंसता है, कोई हमें देख के भागता है, कोई हमें देख के प्यार करता है, कोई हमें देख के नफरत ही करता है, सालों साल करता है, जबकि हम चेंज भी हो गए तब भी। पर क्या है, क्या ऐसी चीज है, कहीं ना कहीं हमारे कार्मिक अकाउंट्स है जो हमें उससे उभरने नहीं देते, और धीरे धीरे हमें उस आगे होना तो है ही। ठीक है,
टाइम तो लगेगा ही सिस्टर, ये तो पता है कि टाइम लगेगा ही। अभी तो बहुत कम दिन हुए हैं, अभी तो 10 दिन ही हुए हैं, तो इट विल टेक टाइम।
बट टाइम ही तो नहीं है ना किसी के पास, सबसे बड़ी बात ये है आज के टाइम में टाइम ही नहीं है। उसको धीरे 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 अपने आप से धीरे 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 करना है, करना है। करते जाएंगे उतना हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, बढ़ते जाएंगे, बढ़ते जाएंगे, है ना?
यस।
ठीक है, चौधरी भाई आप तो आज ही ज्वाइन करे इतने दिनों में, आपको तो हमने आज ही देखा है। आज हमारा ये बहुत अच्छा वाइंड अप सेशन है, तो इसलिए टाइम आप लास्ट डे ज्वाइन करे, बहुत अच्छा कि चलो लास्ट डे तो सुन लूं है क्या। बहुत अच्छा। शशि बहन आपको कुछ कहना है? शिफाली बहन, राखी बहन, कुछ कहना है?
बहुत अच्छा रहा है,
अच्छा रहा,
काफी कुछ पहले भी देखते रहे हम, पीस ऑफ माइंड लगातार ही देखते हैं एवरीडे। शिवानी मैम हमेशा बताती हैं कि 3 चीजें आप जरूर रात को सोते वक्त भी और सुबह भी याद रखो। एक तो आई एम ए प्योर एंड डिवाइन सोल एंड हेल्दी सोल, आई एक्सेप्ट एवरीवन एज दे आर एंड गुड वाइब्रेशन टू ईच वन। आई थिंक उसी का एक खास स्वरूप आपसे देखने को मिला, जो धीरे धीरे वाइब्रेशन से मॉइस्चर तो अच्छा होगा ही है नहीं। बच्चों को भी हम यही सिखाते हैं, कभी कुछ होता है तो send good vibration to the next one, don't react immediately and things will be all right.
Actually, Didi, this group is really good. Everyone are so keenly, I saw these 2 couples, from the day one, I'm just seeing they are very much keenly interested in, going through the course. So I really appreciate, all everyone.
Same here, Shalini. That's why I am here today. I have a lot of meetings.
I know.
Now just I got free, but I still in my mind, I have to meet them too all.
And they don't even, see here or there. They'll be so, seeing only the classes happening. I really appreciate Shashi Singh and her husband. Then this brother is there, no? Malram, then Shifali Ben, then Seema. Seema Ben didn't join today.
Don't know why.
Shikha Ben. All these people are very keen on, understanding the course.
Yes. Shalini is coming from Chennai to Delhi on 20th of November. So they might be come to the Vasundhara for one day, maybe.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but she will be there. Then definitely you go and meet them. Okay, Shalini Ben.
Okay. I'm so happy, Didi. Wherever you take me, I will come.
Okay, then. So we'll do meditation. Shalini Ben, today you not play any video, any story. I really, मुझे इतना मन करता है कि फटाफट से जोड़ूं, Shalini Ben कुछ लगाने वाली हूँ.
Today also I
we got a video.
आज
या
आज सिस्टर हमारे पास वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे एक वो आया था, सिस्टर रंजना दीदी का, उनका कोई लाइव होना था 6 बजे, बट वो हमें कोई लिंक नहीं सेंड हुआ, तो वो देख ही नहीं पाए हम।
अच्छा,
YouTube link we will send you. You once the post finishes, no, we'll send you the YouTube link.
No, वो सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ गणेश चतुर्थी का क्या सिग्निफिकेंस था वो।
ओके ओके, सो आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर एनी लिंक कि लाइव सेशन है, so let me watch that, but couldn't find any link there.
Yeah, so definitely we'll do that. Okay, so Shalini, can you play the music for us? Okay.
राजयोगी बनो राजयोगी, मेरे प्यारो बनो राजयोगी, राजयोगी बनो राजयोगी, मेरे प्यारो बनो राजयोगी, राजयोगी बनो राजयोगी। जिंदगी में परम शांति होगी, मेरे प्यारो बनो राजयोगी, राजयोगी बनो राजयोगी। मन का दर्पण दमकने लगेगा, आत्मचिंतन चमकने लगेगा। मन का दर्पण दमकने लगेगा, आत्मचिंतन चमकने लगेगा। योग पथ पर जरा चल के देखो, सारा जीवन महकने लगेगा। सारी काया हो, सारी काया बनेगी निरोगी, मेरे प्यार बनो राजयोगी, राजयोगी
ओम शांति ओम शांति मैं आत्मा शांत स्वरूप हूँ। I am peaceful soul. Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti सुख स्वरूप हूँ। I am happy soul. ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति मैं आत्मा प्रेम स्वरूप हूँ। I am loveful soul. ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति मैं आत्मा शक्ति स्वरूप हूँ। I am powerful soul. ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति मैं आत्मा पवित्र स्वरूप हूँ। I am pure soul. ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति मैं आत्मा आनंद रूप हूँ। I am blissful soul. ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति मैं आत्मा ज्ञान स्वरूप हूँ।
Om Shanti. Thank you. Wish to see you all in Delhi in November.